Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the photo perspective view or photo perspective angle on your snapseed some editing. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the photo angle perspective or photo perspective angle. So this is actually on the straight angle. I just need to change this by using snapseed photo editor on your mobile. It's simple. So first of all, click on this tool option on your snapseed and you will see this option called perspective, right? Click on this. Now you can see an option to rotate, scale and freestyle, which means you can just expand however you just need it. But this is not going to be work. So we just going to change this to a normal perspective view. So this is called tilt. This can be easily used. You have an option to tilt this side and upper side. So you can see I just changed this perspective of the cube. You can see this is straight perspective and now it changes to the different angle. So it automatically fills the photo by the effect. You can see I just going to change this to the side, and this is how we just change the perspective. You can just make it perfectly like this. You can see how it's going to be changed. You can change easily all the perspective angle. So first of all, the first perspective is center. Now it's look like on the sideways. This is how we just change the perspective of your photo by using the snapseed photo editor. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel. We will meet on next video with just super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.